While most of us love playing in the snow on those elusive snow days, that's what I like, the elusive snow days, we can all agree that no one likes cleaning up the mess it causes. Of course, that's what my husband's for. Thank you, hon. But did you know that in the state of New Jersey, there is an ice and snow removal law? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. The ice and snow removal law states that all motorists must remove the ice and snow from the hood, windows, and roof of the car before driving. Failure to do so can result in a $25 to $75 fine per occurrence, or even higher if that flying ice and snow from your vehicle causes property or bodily damage. Now, here are some other tips when venturing out driving in the snow. Drive with an appropriate distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Drive with your low beams on when the snow is coming down. And if you skid, don't panic. Don't brake or accelerate. Take your foot off the pedal and the accelerator and concentrate and steer that vehicle in the direction that the skid is, which means, where is the back part of your car going? Is it going to the right? That's how you're going to turn your steering wheel to the right. So once you gain control of the car and it's now in the direction you want, slowly accelerate. Remove the snow from the headlights and taillights to help with visibility. Remove the snow from the side windows and the mirrors. And never operate your windshield wipers before you clean them, because they can be stuck to the windshield with the snow and the ice. Be safe out there. Be careful of that black ice. Take it slow. No need to rush. Now, if you like the video, press the like button and share the information. Press the share button with others so they can have the same tips for driving in the snow. Thank you for watching. Now, if you have any questions or comments, enter them in the comments section below. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have.